One of the most questions I receive most is this website available in my country? Since my viewers come from different parts of the world, I decided to make this video. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Missy, and on this channel, I share legitimate online jobs, work from home opportunities, and ways to earn money online. Today, I'll be sharing 10 remote job websites that accept applicants from many countries around the world. Keep in mind that project availability and eligibility can vary depending on your country, language, and the company's hiring needs. If you enjoy this type of content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. The first website is Clickworker. Clickworker is one of the most popular microtask platforms. You can earn money by completing tasks such as writing, data categorization, internet research, AI training, surveys, and other short online jobs. It's available to applicants from many countries, although available tasks differ depending on where you live. If you'd like a complete tutorial, I have already made one on this channel. I'll pin link on the description to watch the tutorial. The next one is OneForma. OneForma offers AI-related projects including data collection, transcription, search, evaluation, translation, and annotations. Some projects only require a smartphone, while others require a computer. The platform accepts applicants from many countries, but available projects depends on your profile and location. The third one is DataForce. DataForce works with companies developing artificial intelligence technologies. Typical projects include recording audio, taking photos, collecting videos, and language-related tasks. Many projects are remote and open to contributors in multiple countries. Number 4. The fourth website is Welocalize. Welocalize is well known for search quality rating, AI data annotation, translation, and localization work. If you enjoy evaluating search results or helping improve AI system, this is a platform worth checking out. Number 5 is RWS. RWS hires remote workers for language services, AI training, translation, and search evaluation projects. Many positions are flexible and can be done from home. Number 6, we have Appen. Appen has been around for many years and is known for AI data collection and search evaluation projects. Although project availability changes over time, it continues to recruit contributors from many countries. Number 7 is Outlier AI. Outlier AI connects contributors with AI training projects. Depending on the project, you may help review AI responses, write prompts, or complete other AI-related tasks. Availability depends on your skills and location. The 8th website is UserTesting. Instead of completing microtasks, you get paid to test websites and apps. You'll share your screen, speak your thoughts while completing tasks, and provide feedback to companies. This platform accepts contribution from many countries. Number 9. Prolific. Prolific pays people to participate in academic research studies conducted by universities and researchers. The studies are genuinely straightforward and payments are made for each completed study. Availability varies depending on your location and profile. Number 10 and the final website is Toloka. Toloka offers online microtasks such as image labeling, AI training, surveys, and data verification. You can complete many tasks using either a smartphone or a computer. Like the other platforms, availability work depends on your country and the current demand. Those are 10 remote job websites that accept applicants from many countries around the world. The number of available projects depends on factors like your country, language, skills, and the current demand on each platform. If you are serious about earning online, create accounts on several of those platforms instead of relying on just one. If you are stay-at-home mom, or you're a student, or you do part-time jobs, don't just stay idle. Work online. Online has money. And these online jobs, they are not get rich quick money. Don't come here thinking that when you come and sign in one website, you'll get rich immediately. No. This is money that you make bit by bit. It will depend on what platform, what kind of a job you are doing, but it's not get rich quick. Here I just come to let you know the legit online jobs that you can do, because there are so many online jobs and so many are fake, and there are those that are legit. I'm here to only let you know the legit websites or remote jobs, online jobs that you can do from home. It doesn't matter if you're experienced or not. You are able to take these jobs. Now, I would love to hear from you. Which website would you like me to cover in the complete step-by-step tutorial? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone looking for legitimate online jobs. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.